Behind every iconic bucket of crispy chicken lies a world few ever see. Today,
The process begins with carefully sourced fresh chicken. Every delivery is inspected, temperature checked, and logged.
Quality control is non-negotiable. Each piece is examined by trained professionals, ensuring it meets KFC's strict global standards before moving forward. Advanced machinery takes over, cutting the chicken into precise portions. Speed and accuracy work together to maintain.
This is where flavor is born. The chicken is marinated to absorb deep seasoning, ensuring every bite delivers. The coating is carefully prepared using a precise blend of flour and spices. Every batch follows
Each piece moves through the coating line, where it's evenly covered. This step defines the iconic crispy texture loved around the world.
In high-temperature fryers, the transformation is complete. The coating turns golden, sealing in flavor while creating that unmistakable crunch.
After frying, every batch is inspected once again. Color, texture, and crispiness are checked to ensure perfection for packaging.
From raw ingredients to crispy perfection, this is the journey behind every bite. Carefully crafted. Automation ensures efficiency without compromising quality. Each piece of chicken is carefully
sealed for freshness and safety. Every box passes through strict checks. From barcode scanning to batch validation, precision is key.
It's not just chicken. The journey of KFC fries begins with carefully selected potatoes, prepared with the same
Timing and temperature are everything. Even the sides are cooked to perfection, ensuring the crispiness matches the main attraction, the chicken.
Every side gets the same level of attention. Seasoning is applied with precision, enhancing flavor without overpowering the signature taste.
Temperature-controlled storage ensures freshness. Even after cooking, products remain at peak quality until they reach the customer.
Behind every outlet, there's a complex logistics network. Products are dispatched efficiently to reach restaurants quickly, keeping quality uncompromised. Sustainability is part of the process. Waste management, energy efficiency, and responsible sourcing. Technology alone cannot achieve perfection. Skilled employees oversee every stage, blending expertise with automation for flawless results.
Before leaving the factory, every batch undergoes taste testing. Only those that meet KFC's exacting standards make it to customers worldwide.
The heart of KFC's flavor lies in the secret recipe.
Every ingredient is measured with precision. Even the smallest variants can alter the signature flavor, so accuracy is key.
Once combined, the flour and spices are thoroughly mixed to create the coating that defines KFC's golden crunch. The coating process is a delicate dance of motion and timing, ensuring every piece is perfectly covered for even frying.
Temperature and timing are precisely calibrated. This controlled environment locks in flavor while creating the signature crispy texture.
Modern technology allows continuous monitoring of each batch, ensuring consistency across thousands of servings every day.
The moment of perfection. Golden, crispy, and succulent. Every piece is inspected to maintain the standard that customers expect worldwide.
After frying, chicken is carefully cooled and drained. This step preserves texture and prevents sogginess before packaging.
Packaging is more than presentation. It protects the chicken, keeps it warm, and maintains crispiness until it reaches the customer.
From factory to restaurant, every piece of chicken is prepared to deliver the same iconic taste and crunch that KFC fans know and love.
Frying is a symphony of precision. Timing, temperature, and movement combine to deliver consistent golden perfection with every batch.
Even after cooking, inspection continues. Every piece is scrutinized to maintain KFC's unwavering quality standards.
Holding chambers keep the chicken at optimal temperature, ensuring it arrives at the restaurant ready to serve without losing its crispiness. KFC meals are more than chicken. Sides are prepared with equal care, completing the iconic dining experience. Packaging combos efficiently ensures every order is complete, fresh, and ready for delivery to millions of customers. Even at the final stage, quality is never compromised. Each batch is rechecked for freshness, consistency, and accuracy. It's a team effort. Skilled employees work in harmony with technology to maintain KFC's high standards of taste and safety. Before leaving the factory, each batch undergoes a final taste check, a guarantee that every bite meets the legendary KFC standard. From raw ingredients to final delivery, every step is carefully controlled, ensuring KFC's signature